Hey everyone, quick update here. We're gonna show how we've been we got a sale today, two sales actually that came in last night. We hadn't had a sale for over a week. We thought maybe because we had listed too many bulk cards did that affect our store. We had about, I don't know, 500 to 1,000 cards, and then we went up to, I think it was 4,200 in a week and a half. The boys have been very busy listing cards, and good sign is we got an order, two orders today. So we're going to show the two cards here. Eli is going to show some stuff he's doing to package them. The cards that sold, we have two slow pokes here. I'm going to try to show it at the camera here. Two of these sold in one order for $1.40 a piece, it looks like. Sold for $2.80. And then the other card, a full art. This one's pretty cool. It's a Tangela. Theo was already wrapping it up. I wanted to shoot a quick video so you guys could see this here. So yeah, that's a full art one, and that one sold for $17, it looks like. So that one's a lightly played, and the other ones we listed as moderately played. Anything you want to say on the orders here?
I'm excited that we got these orders. The two Slowpoke cards from the Lost Thunder set were two of mine that I got from trading or something like that. And I was surprised that they sold for that much, considering that they're just like a normal looking card. It's not much, but like $1 for one of those type of cards, I thought was pretty good. And then this Tangela, I thought it's pretty cool. I like how it's like swinging on the branch. And
Yeah,
I also like it because it comes from the 151 set. I hope we can get some more orders.
Yeah, the full arts are always fun to see. I always enjoy looking at them, all the cool artwork they have. This one's got some nice tree scenery and some type of plants in the front, and like he said, the one guy is swinging from the tree limb up there. And yeah, so shout out to Chelsea for the two orders here, and for Ramon for the Tangela order. All right, if you like this type of content, like below, follow our journey as we are learning and we're selling cards here and trying to figure this out. I will have more videos every week. Stay tuned. Peace.